Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Pepe Coin in Binance. So if you also want to buy Pepe Coin in Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is install Binance application. You can install the Binance application from Play Store or App Store. If you're using Android device, simply open Play Store. After that, all you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now all you have to do is search for Binance. You can see over here Binance application will be displayed on your screen. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. I've already installed the Binance application. If you have not installed the Binance application, over here you'll be able to find the option for install. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after the Binance application has been installed, all you have to do is launch open Binance application. Make sure to create an account on Binance. If you're having problem creating account on Binance, check out our another video on how to create account on Binance. After that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. After you create the account, make sure you're logged into your account. I'm already logged into my account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the markets interface. In markets interface, you'll be able to see the coins over here. Scroll down for more option. If you want to buy the Pepe coin, all you have to do is tap on the option Pepe that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the chart. You can see the options like 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month and 1 year. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to see the chart for that particular time frame. Scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the information about Pepe. You'll be able to find the details regarding rank, market cap, market dominance, circulation supply, max supply, total supply. Also, you'll be able to find the options for all-time high and all-time low. Make sure to analyze this information very carefully. So if you want to proceed to buy Pepe, simply tap on the option buy that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Or you can also buy the Pepe from portfolio section. For that, what you have to do is go back. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for markets, square, discover and portfolio. Simply tap on the portfolio option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the portfolio interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the total balance. Also, you'll be able to find the options like deposit and buy crypto. Simply tap on the option buy crypto that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to choose the crypto. You can see the top searches over here. Find the option for Pepe. Once you find the option for Pepe, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the buy interface. From here, you'll be able to buy the Pepe coin. Simply enter the amount that you want to buy. You can also choose the currency if you want. Right now, USD is selected. Simply tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to choose the currency. You can see several currencies over here. Simply tap on the currency that you want to choose. After that, what you have to do is select the payment method. For that, simply tap on the option select payment method that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to select the payment method. All the cards that you've added will be displayed over here. At bottom left corner, you'll be able to see the price. Now what you have to do is tap on the card that you want to use to pay. If you do not have any card added, simply tap on the type of card that you want to add. Right now there is only one option, Visa or MasterCard. So directly tap on the confirm option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to add the new card. All you have to do is enter these informations. First of all, enter first name. Also enter last name. Now enter the card number. I'm just going to enter the random numbers because I do not own a card. But make sure to enter the valid card number. Also select the expiration date. Tap on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. Now type in CVV or CVC. Now you'll have to provide the billing address. Simply enter the address. Also type in the postal code. Now enter the city. Select the country will already be selected by default. If you want to change it, simply tap on the country that is selected right now. Now from here you'll be able to select the country, tap on the country that you want to select. After that, all you have to do is tap on the confirm option that you can see on the bottom of your screen. As I said earlier, I provided random numbers in card number, so it is showing card number is invalid. But if your card number is valid, you'll be able to proceed to other step. After that, all you have to do is select the card that you've just added. After that, review your order and confirm your transaction. After that, you'll be able to buy the Pepe Coin in Binance. So that is how you buy Pepe Coin in Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.